Now let's make another container. Can we?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
But we need to create that, for example, in a column.
Okay.
Because scaffold wants only one widget for the body.
Okay.
And if we want to have two containers, we need to have a widget that supports a list of widgets, for example, a column.
Okay.
So we can see here that if we add this column, it shouldn't change actually. What we see here is the right thing. Now let's add another container. Duplicating it. And let's make this, do you have a favorite color?
Green.
Green. Perfect.
Perfect. Let's see now.
So now we see we have two widgets, a red container and a green container.
Okay.
And as we can see, they're limited still by their size because we limit them with height and width.
Height and width. Okay, okay. Now if I create the same containers for like 6 times, how does it work?
6 times?
Yeah, let's copy paste the code and let's see how does it look.
Okay. Oh, wait, I can do it.
I want to see, does it go outside the boundary of that screen? I just want to see that. Let's see.
I added 6.
Now there is a problem.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
The issue here is that the column is only taking as much space as the children ask for, but it is not dynamic, so it breaks through the limits of our screen.
Okay, okay.
It's a static widget. So either we need to tell Flutter to scroll, or we just need to use another widget that is similar to column and supports scrolling behavior.
Okay, so if I want to limit this screen size, then how can I do it? What are their properties to say that, okay, I want to contain this element in 500 pixel height thing and remaining should be scrollable? How should I do that?
Okay, so first of all, if we want to say we want this column just scrollable, column is always creating each item it has in its list. So we need a single child scroll view.
Okay.
In that case.
Okay, there is widget for everything then.
This is the easiest one, creating kind of a scrolling effect for the screen. So every child it inherits is scrollable then. So
okay,
we do that. You see, we don't have a compiling error. And we see, of course, that there is no breakthrough through the screen.
Is it scrollable now?
It should be scrollable.
To hover it in options.
Maybe we need to put more. Here. I need to actually take the column. I'm not dragging the screen, I'm dragging the column. Okay. And then we see it's scrollable.
That's single child scrollable view. That means whatever we pass inside single child scrollable view, it will be scrollable.
Right.
Okay.
Even static widgets.
Okay. So can I limit that single child scroll view inside some height? Like I want this element inside 500 pixels height, and I want to scroll that inside that.
Yeah, of course. So we need just a sized box in that case. It would be better instead of a container, because this one is only supporting kind of a height, and let's say 600 pixels. We are limiting now the scrollable area to 600 pixels. So we see here the column is cut off. If we drag it, we are scrolling inside those 600 pixels.
Dang, like whatever I ask, you are like throwing one widget, you know? Make it column. Make it scrollable, single child scroll view. Make it 600 pixels, size box.
It's making quite a lot of fun.
Yeah. Flutter is like, whatever I ask you, there's widget for that.
Yeah, and the best thing is the results are pretty fast. Flutter is rendering it so fast. You can render it during build time. If you make a little change, just hot reload the widget and you see the change. You don't need to restart the whole app, and that's a big plus.
Hot reload, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty quick.